Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar. Yeah. All right. Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. Ha. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl.
This was our adventure today, where we backed in at. They said that puddle right there, don't pull into there, because if you do, they're gonna need a wrecker to get you out. You'll be stuck. So avoid that puddle. Avoid all that. Pulled in from over there. Oh, there's puppers. Avoid this shed or garage. Back down in that hole. And do all that with your tandem slid back all the way. So much fun. It's new adventure every day.
Day, oh yeah.
had a little bit of a interesting run. They got 2 loads going to the same place, so we're gonna go with Rob. My trailer's here in the yard and his is down in Holland, so he's gonna leave before me, and we made him down south. somewhere on the way. Bye. Sun's going down. We're at the Missouri Welcome Center, I-55, going south towards Dallas, Texas. Well, technically Arlington, Texas, but it's pretty much the same area. The sky's really pretty. Let's see. We got that far to go. Let's see. Wow. Who knew it zoomed out that far? Jeez. Here we are. 571 miles to go.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it, right now I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Baby, I don't have to know you're.
We're coming to a full stop. shut down right here on the freeway. There's a big accident up ahead. Closed the whole road. People are out walking around.
Here, let me sit down.
Just like this
Come out here.
ball.
I'll come out here and get a video.
Alright, here. Thank you. Ball. There's some other people out there walking around. Must be a really bad accident.
Yeah, there was a helicopter up there.
Sucks. Yep. Ooh. Putting her out to work. Don't hurt yourself. Oh man. Alright, going on an hour now. 57 minutes. That's my little tablet. Well, we have not moved an inch in an hour. Well, still waiting. It has now been 2 hours. 2 hours. Still have not moved. By now, we gotta be backed up all the way to Memphis. Shoot. This is crazy. I haven't been in a stopped traffic situation like this probably in a few years. Well, it's back to watching Netflix. Something burnt up. Yeah. Supposedly there's another accident up unfortunately for him, somebody put their white truck right there, right in front of the space that he needs to back into. But I got faith in Rob. He is a really good backer. Like, really good. We'll see what he does here. Not a lot of space here. Now you see how that pickup is in the way. Rob is so good at backing up, he isn't even going to need to pull forward. Look at that. Gotta slide the tandems to the rear. Well, that's it for this load. Rob went to pick up a load going back up to Michigan, and I went to a separate place to pick up going back up to Michigan, and we'll meet up again up there.